Hello traders, good morning. Welcome to this video on the euro dollar and pound dollar, of course, for the rest of this week. Before we take a look at the charts though, automated trading here with Ultima EA, just to open and verify an ECN account with in USD with a supported broker and fund that account, and that's how you can start at least for the next 2 weeks until 17th of February, and then this particular offer will be closed for now, and Ultima EA will be on a waiting list. So if you're interested in automated trading, you can see here the back testing and live performance as well. All right, first of all, the euro dollar moving down quite a lot from that 111 region, that 111 resistance, and showing a good turnaround here. Price is still at the 20 EMA. The 20 EMA zone is turning back down again, so there could be soon a breakout. The thing is that price was really strong, moved strong above the 20 EMA here. There's a lot of momentum. So in fact, this is a situation where it could easily break to both directions. So I'm really waiting for more clarity with the breakout before deciding about the next step. I mean, I'm leaning towards downside, to be honest, because of the wave patterns, but I'm open to both sides. This could be wave 1, 2, this is all 3, this could be 4 and down for 5. But I'm open to both sides because if I look at the daily chart, you know, the main bouncing zone I suspected was at between 109.50, right, and 110, and price got to 109.90. So in a way, it did fulfill the downside target already, and this could be the start of a bullish rally. So as I mentioned before, this I think is wave A. This could all be part of B, and soon wave C could start. Either this is the start of C, or this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern of that. Basically, that's still that wave B, right? With A, B, C, for instance. Sorry, the other way around. A, B, C like that to complete blue B, and then eventually we'll get a blue C like that. Okay. So, question is blue B finished? Are we already in a blue C or in a red C? That is a big difference. So if price is still in a red C, I think price could make it down to 109.50. And then in that zone, show a bullish candlestick pattern that indicates a reversal back up. Whereas if price is maybe able to break above 111, 111.25, then price is likely to be in a 1, 2, 3 pattern here within blue wave C. So I am open to both directions. It depends, you know, if price is breaking through 111.25, I'm bullish basically. At this moment, I'm leaning towards downside, although I'm open to both directions because price is below 110.50. Very simple. And that was a key level, and it is below that level. So I'm leaning towards downside now. We got 2 days. This was strong candle up, but I think it's more of a bounce spot at this moment. And there was a bounce, and price is now breaking below 110.50. So if we go back to the 4-hour chart, I think if it's able to, it also broke through this trend line. I think if it's able to push through with 4 here, 110.30, there's a fair chance of a downside towards the previous bottom, and I believe that it will also break that bottom and continue, or there's a good chance at least to continue lower to 109.40 or 109.50. Maybe a small pause at 109.75, for instance. Okay, so back to the, or down to the 1-hour chart, and there was already a breakout here yesterday, and we saw some follow through, and we're seeing lower lows and lower highs. So for this time frame, we are seeing price move again back into the 20 EMA, right? So what I would like to see is again one of these red arrows here. So for SWAT traders or a red candle, you know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a confirmation of a move down, and that would probably likely break this support zone and this support trend line like that. So I'm looking for the breakout because on this time frame it could be a little bit like a falling wedge, maybe. Well, in any case, I'm not sure about that, but the next bearish breakout I think is likely to confirm a strong push lower. And if it doesn't break, then I didn't, you know, nothing lost. And if it does start to move up, then I avoided a losing trade if I, you know, compared to shorting it right here. So I'd rather not short it here. I'd rather wait for the confirmation breakout. All right. Now this is the pound dollar. So it had a significant event and fall on Monday, and it went way further than I expected. So when I recorded it, I still suspected this. I thought this was A, B, C, D, E, and wave 1, and then down for wave 2 and up for wave 3. All of that, or most of that, was correct except this wave 2, right? So, oh, apologies. This turned out not to be a wave 2. Why? Because it broke below the bottom of wave 1. So A, B, C, D, E, and upside did take place. But unfortunately, the wave 2 invalidated, this move down invalidated the wave 1, 2 because it broke below this bottom. It also broke below this bottom. So it's might be a triangle, but then it's A, B, C. And it still has a lot of legs left in that triangle. That's possible, but I think a bit less likely. Wave C's can be complicated and are known to be the most complicated. So that's possible, actually. But certainly I suspected that the wave the wave C, D, and E were here. And all of a sudden we would have that invalidated and wave C all the way here. It's possible, but I'm not sure. The main analysis I have now is actually downside, correction, and downside. So I'm expecting actually more of an ABC down. And if I look at the hourly chart, I see 5 waves down, and I think that this could be an ABC up. And then downside again. So I think that 61.8 fib likely to be a bouncing spot, looking for candlestick patterns at 131.06 or 131.50, or even 130.75 for downside. And let's see if we get that ABC pattern as well, of course. So that would confirm one more leg lower if that is a B, C like this. Even if this is a triangle and this is a B and a really wacky long C, then the upside would be part of a D. So in that case, if it is a triangle like that, I would put a fib from here to here. And we can see that also 50 and 61.8 fibs are around these levels here. So there's confluence. So if I put on both fibs, whether it's an ABC or whether this is a wave D, in both cases, there's good confluence around 131 and 131.50 and 131.70. So those areas likely to be resistance, whether this is a wave D of a triangle or a B of an ABC zigzag. It's likely that price will make in my view, a lower high and retest the bottom. And then we'll have to see, does price bounce here for a triangle continuation or does it break for a zigzag? And that depends on how price responds again at the round level of 130. So in the meantime, up and then down is the most likely scenario for this pound dollar at this moment. All right, that's my view. Thank you for joining. Wish you all great trading, of course, and great days ahead. And see you all very soon in the next videos. Cheers. Bye-bye.